La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. There is no God but Allah, and indeed Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the messenger of God. Brothers and sisters, the jinn attracts people by these actions. Number one, when you listen to music, they are surrounded all over by you, like they're surrounded in circles. Number two, when you're changing, that's why you have to say always Bismillah. While before you change, make sure you take off the clothes. Number three, scary movies. When you're trying to see a scary movie, the jinns, they take advantage to scare you. Before you sleep, do these acts. Number one, you have to wipe the bed off. Number two, say Ayatul Kursi before you go to bed. Number three, you say the three quls before you sleep. Lastly, you say the dua, Bismika Allahumma Bismika Amatulwaya. Share this with your friends, family, whoever you have to share with, and I'll see you in Jannah.